only thing I know is my husband has said there's a lot of first series in there.
Oh, really?
And that they're probably worth actually more than that.
Really?
But I don't know a whole lot.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Yep, I'm ready. Oh wait, it's right after
It's just a beaver.
How much is that?
$10. And we took, so it had a picture of my daughter on the front, so we cut it off.
Oh, okay.
Because we thought that it would be kind of weird. So we might adjust the picture, but it's wood underneath.
Okay. I might have my wife get out of the car and come look at it because she was wanting like a little desk, but I don't know if she could refinish it or not.
The leg, I mean, the leg is, there's a wonky leg over here, but it really just needs some Gorilla Glue.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's $5.
Oh, $5.
And this will, I mean, it'll come off, you know?
Yeah.
And I don't know, I feel like he might have put this over I don't know when he stuck it on. So my dad did all this, but you can tell, like you can see, like this is what it looks like on the outside.
Oh, okay.
So.
Peels right off.
Yeah. But I mean, she loved it. Played with it forever.
I live a few streets over. If we do buy it, is it okay if it sits here for a few minutes?
Yeah,
And then
oh yeah.
I'll bring a dolly over or something?
Yeah, I'll put
Okay.
It's not, I mean, like I can help you. I mean, it's not.
Yeah, it doesn't look very heavy.
Yeah, it's not too heavy.
Okay, I'm gonna look around and then I'll have her come look at it real quick.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. I'll put a sign on it.
Okay.
Hold it if you want it.
How much are the baseball bats?
$5 piece.
$5.
And that bat right there is like I don't even want to know how much you paid for it, to be honest. Yeah, I want strawberry, please. And if you use the teal. You tried the chocolate? Yeah, I mean, I've been drinking it, but I'd rather have strawberry. Use the teal shaker because it's got 8 on there. And there's a bunch of cords in here. I have no idea what they are.
Okay.
He said somebody would know what they are. Like speaker, it's like a speaker.
Yeah, speaker cables and
I
stuff.
don't know what the they are. Yeah.
Okay.
I guess it's the same.
Right on. Let me grab these 2 bats here.
Okay.
And then I will have her come up here. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Good.
Well, oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, how I know how to mix still. But we don't know how to make bread. I know everything.
Stay over here, babe.
I'm going to upstairs and one more. Mommy, they're almost done. Mommy, not
I gotta do the other side too.
Yeah.
Probably clean out the gutters.
Dad,
All right, guys, come here, please. There's somebody in here. You know you're supposed to be inside.
come on.
Probably wouldn't even have back there. Right, Luna.
Don't want to. You might be for sale.
Well, we won't get rid of Remy.
Do you know if this game is complete?
You can open it.
Okay.
I honestly couldn't tell you.
guys should be on there. Can you see?
He's on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep, looks like it. Oh wait, that's 6.
And
There
7.
he is.
Okay.
Yep.
There
So
you go.
I assume it. I
Yeah.
don't really know, but yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Hi.
Morning.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Don't.
Which one?
Don't.
Did you see it?
Sorry.
Did you see it?
Are you making a video?
Oh, I'm just recording. So.
Oh no. What? Puppy.
Bubby.
Puppy.
Bubby.
Do you live around the corner from us?
Yeah, just on the first street.
Oh, on the first street.
Yeah.
I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh. Well, thank you. How much on the controller here?
Just a buck.
Buck. What? What?
Your puppy. Your puppy. Your puppy.
Oh, Bubby.
Puppy.
Bubby. Hi. Let's see, sissy.
Ow.
Do you have any wiggle room on the Pokemon cards?
I don't.
No?
I'm selling
Okay.
them. I told my son I would sell them for him, and that's what he wanted. So.
I just know nothing about them, so.
I don't either. So we've had a couple people ask about them, and only thing I know is my husband has said there's a lot of first series in there.
Oh, really?
And that they're probably worth actually more than that.
Really?
But I don't know a whole lot, so
Gotcha.
I just asked him what he wanted, and that's what he said.
No
so.
worries at all. I understand. If I knew more, maybe I'd jump on it. All right, you guys have a good day.
Hi, thank
Thanks.
you. And get the gummy bears out of the sun. Hi.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. No, I didn't want to get up early on my day off.
I understand that. That's why we're just not getting out.
That's got Luminox and broadheads in it.
Oh, okay.
We'll give y'all some time to unpack and come back, okay?
No worries. That's a really nice cedar chest. I just got your price for it.
What do you got on it?
Huh?
What do you have on it?
$5. I think it's got a key too. I need to go into the house to look for it. It's locked. Okay. You push that in and it opens.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing.
I'm sorry.
I love it. I got no room for it.
Would you do $10 on both these?
Sure. Is that a GoPro?
Yeah.
I thought it looked familiar.
A little YouTube channel where I go around to garage sales.
Very cool.
Don't be taking pictures in my garage.
Oh, I won't.
There's a bunch of crap in here I haven't gone through yet. Thank you. I'll change in just a second.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
The Dr. Dreadful.
Alright guys, we are back in the garage. Definitely not a huge haul today, but considering I spent about 30 minutes driving around my own neighborhood on the last afternoon of our community sale, I think we did okay. So let me show you real quick what we picked up. At one sale, I got a couple softball bats for $5 a piece. This Easton here, this Easton Amethyst, it's only about a $50 bat, brand new, so probably 15 to 25 on that one, not that great. But this DeMarini Vendetta right here, this is in really nice shape. It's about a $140, $150 bat, brand new, and it looks like recent comps are around 60 to 75 bucks. So for $5, that was definitely a good pickup on that DeMarini Vendetta bat. At one sale, like I've done in the past, I made the mistake of just seeing a bunch of baby clothes stacked up and not turning on my camera. But I did end up going to a sale and I picked up these two tennis rackets here. They're Head TI Conquest rackets. They're in really good shape as well, and they were $1 a piece. I think I can get about $25 for the pair. Those are pretty cool sale with lots of like cool Rudolph and the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Isle of Misfit Toys collectibles and Wizard of Oz stuff, a bunch of Funko Pops, but all that stuff was really expensive. This used SpongeBob Monopoly game that was only $1, and this is actually about a $25 plus shipping game. I have counted it since then. It is definitely complete, and it was a good pickup at $1 because I can turn that into 25 plus shipping. The sale with the Pokemon cards, I didn't end up grabbing those just because I don't know enough about them. They were $25 for a little basket of them. Maybe I left a gold mine behind, maybe not. Let me know down below. I'm not sure. But I did pick up this Wii controller with the Wii Motion Plus adapter for $1. I think the adapter goes for between 10 and 15 bucks, and then, you know, whatever the controller goes for. Probably sell it as a pair though. So not bad for $1. At the last sale, I picked up a couple things and I paid $10 total. I picked up this Dr. Dreadful game. I don't really think this game is worth anything, but I thought Elliot might like to play it. And since I just bundled it all up for 10 bucks, I figured if nothing else, I'll get my money's worth out of him playing this fun little Dr. Dreadful Scabs and Guts game. The thing I bought to resell was this case of arrows. I don't really know anything about arrows, but for the price, I just took a chance. There are 15 of these ICS Hunter Junior arrows in here, and then one of these Genesis Armory model 1820. I wish it was full of the 1820s because I think that would be worth more. There are some extra things in here too, like I think these are broadheads, and then whatever this stuff is, I'll have to find out exactly what those are. But I did see this exact case right here, which is a MTM Case Guard compact arrow case. This case with 11 of these ICS Hunter Junior arrows sell for 40 bucks. So I have, I think, 15 of those plus the extra arrow plus the extras plus the perfect condition case. So I think I won't get hurt at 10 bucks. So I'm gonna learn a little bit about arrows now. And that's what the name of the game is. Like I said, not a bad little haul just for 30 minutes in my own neighborhood. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.